What's good, guys? I just wanted to check in and kind of start a little bit of a challenge for myself. I'm really loving 4K 30 frames per second, which is what I'm shooting on. I am 4:3 aspect ratio, Rocksteady Plus. I'm using right now my DJI extension rod mini, and I just wanted to give a couple shout outs to some people. Brendan Drury, I love the way that you go about your videos. I love the coffee shop. You really put me in that setting, and it was just, the colors were popping, everything was just good about it. And the digital clutter video as well too. I know I deal with that, and something I'm trying to work on as well. So thank you so much for approaching these things with passion and just in your own voice, in your own human way. And the next person I want to give a shout out to is Max Richter, keeping what he called the lost art form alive in comic books. When I was younger, I used to always want to be into comics. I used to want to buy them and get them, and I had a couple, but I always wanted to be in it more than I was. I think it's such an interesting world, so thank you so much for really perpetuating that and keeping it alive, and the art that you do, man, it's really amazing and skillful. And I just feel like not enough people are just aware of how classic it is. So keep it up. Really enjoy your videos. Love the last one with the blue light. Definitely a vibe for me. I'm all about the setting in videos, which brings me to Darren Keenan vlogs, his hikes, his talks, his thought process, his voice, his calmness, his presence. It's just really a nice pace for me to just kind of follow along and see how he thinks and what's on his mind, and just really appreciate how you're showing up to this community and doing your thing, Darren. Please keep it up. And I think that, when you talk about tech and gear and just life, and then you've got this beautiful green scenery around, it really brings us to a place that I know when I'm out in the city, like, I don't get to experience all the time. So I think you are doing something special in that, and I just want to encourage you to keep going. My buddy Jack, Australia Through My Lens, thank you so much for all your feedback. I have struggled in my life to receive feedback well and receive it as feedback, and not harsh criticism. Not that you're doing any of that. You are so helpful, and sharing some of your tips about YouTube and your feedback about the 4:3 aspect ratio. Sorry, I'm doing it again, but I'm trying to challenge myself to just make some quick little short videos and just be more off the cuff and a little bit more raw. My whole thing is human speak. I feel like that line was put on my heart a few years ago, and I feel like it's like time now that it's finally able to have a space to breathe and grow. So your feedback is truly received with a good heart here, and a well-intentioned heart. So thank you so much. And your videos, I love it. I love the monochrome. I love the challenges you're giving yourself, which has actually inspired me to do this kind of challenge as well. 4K 30 frames, 4:3 aspect in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So I've got a little bit of time left, but just wanted to call you guys out and shout you out, and just thank you so much for showing up here and being a part of this thing. I'm on an internal mic. It's raining out here. Let me turn on the wipers a little bit because I'm parked now, but I'm gonna go to Dunkin', get a coffee, maybe get a little croissant sandwich. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out. Bye.